Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in the last video we designed a design on Canva together that suits the dimensions for Amazon merch, and I saved it as a transparent PNG. Guys, this is important. If you upload something to Amazon merch, it always needs to be in PNG and it needs to be transparent. I think you can upload other formats as well, but this is just the best way to do it. Yeah, just always learn this. Just save something as a PNG and then make sure the background is set to transparent. Otherwise, you're gonna upload basically like a JPEG, and the problem is gonna be that the color of the t-shirt that you put the design on won't exactly match the background, even if it says the t-shirt is black and your design background is black. But obviously, as you can imagine, there will still be a difference in shade. Yeah, so it will really not look so nice. So always make sure that you save your designs as PNGs and always make sure they're set to transparent. So I saved this file now as a transparent PNG and I'm on Merch by Amazon. And how do we upload something now? So we're gonna go to create. So you'll be in your account, you'll log in, and then you'll hit create. You will see the different lists of products that you can upload your design onto. Keep in mind, in the last video, we decided on the dimensions 4500 times 5400. This will fit all of these designs here, but you can see the hoodie design is a bit different. Yeah, there are in fact some others where it's a bit different, like the pop sockets grip, where you I think need a round design. I don't do pop sockets, to be honest, but for all of these designs here, like tank tops, premium t-shirts, v-neck shirts, they all have the same dimensions. So, and this is 4500 times 5400. So I'm just going to select the standard t-shirt right now, and I'm going to hit edit details, and then I'm going to see it in a bit bigger here. And if I still have it here in my downloaded folder on my Mac, I can just drag and drop it onto there. Otherwise I can click and then I see my folders and I can select and find the design there. But right now I just dragged it onto the t-shirt, and it will take a second. Sometimes it can take a bit longer, but it shouldn't take longer than like 10 seconds or so. And it will have uploaded. So you can see, even though in the last episode we thought, oh, this is way too big. Now imagine somebody sees the little thumbnail of this t-shirt. They can actually read it. Yeah, proud dog mama is something that they can see, they can identify it, even if it seems really big to us. Like, this is really big script in the end, but people that are browsing the internet for, I don't know, cute dog shirts or something, they will be able to find this product and recognize it easily because the font is clear. It's not some swirly font, so always have clear fonts. And also it's big, it's written big, and this makes a big difference, trust me. So now here you can select the colors, and in fact you could select all, but psychology tells us, from what I know, I'm not a psychologist, that if you select too many, it's not so productive. Rather select like one or two. Like, I don't know, maybe there's some women out there that want to have a purple shirt. Yeah, I could imagine this doesn't look so bad, so I'm gonna activate purple, but the rest I think I'm just gonna leave it. Maybe navy as well. Okay, I can activate navy. And you can see it chooses the fit types, men and women, automatically. Now, because this is targeted to women by default, I could just leave out men here and just select women, but I'm just gonna leave it on in terms of political correctness. If a man wants to order one of these t-shirts, why not? I mean, in the end, from what I know, the Amazon shirts, they're normally quite unisex anyway. So up here we see the button select products. If I click on select products, we see all of these different combinations. I've talked about this in a previous video. Recently, up until recently, one of these ticks was one slot of your tier level that you could upload, but now this design counts, and you could upload it to all of these and you'd still only have one design published out of 10. But for right now, I'm just going to publish it to one marketplace, so you can select and deselect all. I'm going to go to standard t-shirt in the US, so .com. Yeah, this is the only thing that I want to publish right now, so I'm going to hit continue. So here I set the price. So you can see if the t-shirt sells for $19.99, I am going to get a $5.23 royalty. And the crazy thing is, Amazon literally does everything for us. Yeah, you don't have to worry about I don't know, shipping it or anything. You just set your price here and you get this amount whenever someone buys it. Isn't this pretty amazing? Then you scroll down. So all of these I didn't select right now, as you saw. And here you see the information that you need to put in. So I'm just going to put in proud dog mama, gift for dog lovers, something like this, yeah. Brand, you're officially, I think you need to have your brand registered for Amazon merch, but like literally nobody I know has it. So you can literally, I think, just put in dog mama outfits, something like this, yeah. And it might at max increase your keyword targeting. By the way, if you put in something like shirt here, this will give you a warning. It is strongly recommended to remove any reference to product types. Why is this? Because Amazon autofills this for us. So in the published product, this will be proud dog mama gift for dog lovers t-shirt. They will automatically put it there. So if you write t-shirt in here, it will say proud dog mama gift for dog lovers t-shirt. So don't do this, yeah. You can put it here into the feature bullets if you really want to, but normally it's recommended not to, because you normally don't just publish one t-shirt, but you publish a whole range of products. So you obviously want to remove t-shirt as a keyword if you are selling a tank top. So keep this in mind. Amazon will autofill the product type for us. The perfect gift idea for dog owners, trying to get as many keywords in there as possible. So dog lover, dog owner, gift idea for dog. And then in this one, I'm going to put for everyone who loves their dog. And then in brackets, maybe dog mother, something like this. I don't know. Just for all women that own a dog and that love their dog and that want to wear a t-shirt about their dog. So I just wrote something. If you're looking for a dog related present for your girlfriend, wife or sister, look no further. The dog mom design will be an eye catcher and is guaranteed to make your dog happy as well. Guys, you want to find something that where you can serve as many keywords as possible. Yeah, so you want to have something like gift for girlfriend, for wife, for sister. People are looking for this. If you have dog gift for sister, something like this, there will definitely be gifts and products that will show up on Amazon. I mean, do it yourself. And in the end, if you want to sell products on Amazon, you want to find exactly these keywords that people are searching, and you want to put them in there into your own designs. So let me quickly review everything. By the way, you want to make sure that you're not violating any copyright terms here. This is really important, guys. You can check on the official trademark registry service in your country. I can put the link for this in the description if you want. But this is important because you don't want to mess with your Merch by Amazon account. So for example, I made a shirt about the UEFA Europe Cup in football, basically. And it got rejected, even though I still don't know what was wrong there, yeah? So you want to double check in the worst case, especially if you're publishing something for the first time. Just search it in and check it for possible trademarks or so. This is really important. But this here should be fine. So I can review everything, proud dog mama, okay. And I can hit publish. And now if you publish it, this will be checked and it will be reviewed by the Merch by Amazon team. And if you're publishing it for the first time and you haven't published anything else yet, this might take some days. Normally, if you have published things before, it will take no longer than some hours. Yeah, so I'm going to hit publish now. And this is the end of the video. So this is how you upload. Okay, these products will be published as searchable. Okay, great. Publish. Yeah, so right now you want to just wait, confirm your products, and then you can go to view manage page or create a new product. I'm just going to hit create new product so you don't see my other products that I have published on Amazon Merch. But yeah, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you did, then smash the like button. Why is it taking so long? It's loading so long. Time for you to go scroll and hit the like button. And also subscribe to the channel if you learned something today. I would really appreciate it. My name is Luca. I'm the German travel guy and I make lots of videos about, traveling, geography, making money as a digital nomad, and so on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.